Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to edit colors in Shopify Horizon Theme. Let's get started. First, go to shopify.com, then click Login right here. Enter in your email in this field, or you may also log in using Apple ID, Facebook, or Google. This will lead you to your Shopify dashboard. In here on the left panel, click on Online Store. Then scroll down until you see the Theme Library section. Click on Customize next to the Horizon theme. This will lead you to the Shopify website editor. In here on the top left corner, click on this theme settings icon. Then click Colors down here. In here you can see all the color schemes you can choose from. You can also make your own by clicking on Add Scheme right here. You can make your own scheme by selecting your preferred colors for the background, headings, text, primary buttons, secondary buttons, inputs, variants, etc. To apply it, click on the color scheme, then click on the section where you want to apply it. Next, on the left panel, scroll down until you see Color Scheme right here under the Appearance section. Click on this drop-down menu, then look for the color scheme you just made. In our case, it's scheme number 8. And as you can see, the colors of this particular section has been changed. If you want to edit the color scheme, just click on this arrow right here to go back. Then click on Theme Settings again. And then you will have your scheme right here. You just have to edit it to however you like. And then once you're done editing, just click on Save up here to save your changes. And that is how you can edit colors in Shopify Horizon Theme. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.